Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam question number 24 in Alternative Energy Demystified 2nd edition. If you have the printed book, please see page 314. We're talking here about a petroleum diesel fueled engine, the kind of engine you'll find in a large truck, big buses, freight train engines, lots of things where you need a lot of power in an engine. Petroleum diesel is commonly used. In a petroleum diesel-fueled engines, the pistons resemble the pistons in a gasoline-fueled engine, except for one significant difference. What is that difference? Well, the correct answer is C. The gasoline-fueled engine's pistons have spark plugs, but the diesel-fueled engine's pistons do not. So let's go back and look at a diagram that I showed you a few questions ago. This is the diagram of a piston in a gasoline-fueled engine. Notice there's a spark coil that provides the spark for the spark plug. Actually, the spark coil provides the high voltage that is necessary to make the spark in the spark plug. That is a gasoline-fueled engine. When the piston reaches the top of its cycle, and here the top being towards the left, I've tilted this diagram so it fits a little better on the screen. When the piston gets over to this left-hand extreme here, the spark plug fires and forces the piston back. Well, in a diesel engine, that stuff is missing. The piston simply moves over until it compresses the mixture of fuel and air to such an extent that it gets hot, and that heat is sufficient to cause the ignition in the engine. So once again, the correct choice is C. The diesel-fueled engine has pistons that look like this. They don't have the spark plugs, whereas they do have spark plugs in a gasoline-powered engine.